Hi guys, so I'm here once again to talk about one thing that you could be missing in your hair care routine. Yeah, so of course a lot of people might have been wondering why their hair remains stagnant or is not growing as they want it to be. They've been using all sorts of products, the routine, they are dedicated, they are consistent with everything about their hair care routine, but nothing seems working. The hair is not growing, is not having the strength, or everything is not working all together. Like my previous video, I talked about knowing your type of hair, which is very important, in your hair care journey and in also selecting products for your hair. But in this video, I'll be talking about scalp exfoliation. Yeah, a lot of people might be using different products on their hair, but nothing seems working. Yeah, you shampoo your hair, you condition your hair, you apply oil, leave-in conditioners and all sort of things on your hair, but when you don't exfoliate your scalp, just like we scrub our skin, our face and everything, just because we want our product to work well on our skin, so as we also need to exfoliate our scalp. Yeah, when you don't exfoliate your scalp, most of the products or all of the products you are using might not actually work for you. Yeah, because the pores of the scalp might have been clogged by a lot of these hair products we are using. Yeah, of course, a lot of people will say, oh, I shampoo my hair as offering, I condition it, I do all those, but it seems nothing is working. Yeah, so that's why I'm here today to talk about scalp exfoliation, why it is necessary for you to exfoliate your scalp as often. Yeah, of course you need to do this. Yeah, it is so important in your hair care journey. It helps your hair to receive fresh breath and even to absorb those hair products you are using, and this would help your hair to grow well. Yeah, so hair exfoliation can be done even with your homemade stuff like DIY, and you can also get products from stores. Yeah, so but if you can maybe afford products from the store, you can do a DIY, and I'll be talking about some DIYs you can do yourself at home. Yeah, so you need to exfoliate, which is so important. Like I'm trying to emphasize on scalp exfoliation. Yeah, and there is also a scalp massager. Yeah, a scalp massage brush, which you can use whenever you're washing your hair, or maybe when you apply your product, you can use this brush to scrub your scalp. Yeah, to brush your scalp. Then this helps to stimulate your scalp. Yeah, by when you exfoliate your scalp, it helps you to unclog those spores that are being blocked by product, and with this your scalp can breathe, and your product that you're applying can also be absorbed to the roots of your hair, which will make your hair grow better. So I'll be talking about some DIY you can use for your exfoliation. Like I used some previously. I've also been battling with dandruff, clogged spores on my scalp, but then I got through this scalp exfoliation. I just did some search online and I saw it, and I also decided to try it, and really, yeah, my scalp was cleaner than it used to be. And in the process of scrubbing also, I noticed that the flaky stuff on my hair began to come off my scalp, and after washing, I had to just check my scalp, and it's looking so clean. Even my product, I enjoyed how it feels on my hair. So right now I'll be telling you about some DIY you can do by your own self at home. Yeah, and they really work so well. So we'll just be listing some things you can use at home. So you can use a sugar. Sugar also acts as a scrub. Yeah, it's also an exfoliant. Yeah, so you can use that. You can add your honey to it, and you can add apple cider vinegar, but if you don't have that, you can also add a lime, yeah, a lemon, just some drop of it. Then you can add some essential oil into that combination. Yeah, you can also use coconut oil or any available oil, olive oil for you, just some little drop. Yeah, you don't need to put a lot of it into that. So like I mentioned, you use your sugar. Yeah, you just measure it depending on the strength of your hair, the texture, and your hair type, how full it is. You can also, so that you can be able to measure what you'll be able to finish at a time. Yeah, you don't need to do a lot, so you don't keep it. You can do it, you know, as often as you wash your hair, or you just do alternate time, you know. So then like I mentioned, you use your sugar, you use honey, apple cider vinegar, or lemon or lime. Yeah, then you can use essential oil and just your regular coconut oil or olive oil. Yeah, so this helps you to, you know, exfoliate your scalp. It really, this is the one I used the last time I washed my hair, and it really came out so beautiful. You don't need a lot of things for this. Yeah, you just need to get this, mix it in a bowl, and still make it in a coarse form. Yeah, it doesn't need to be so soft or something. The sugar still needs to be as it is. Yeah, so with this you'll be able to scrub your scalp, and maybe every other product you use will be able to work well. You just need to leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so this helps to, you know, to make it more, you know, more clean. Yeah, cleaner than when you use just shampoo and conditioner to wash. Yeah, you know, the benefits of all this oil, benefits of honey, benefits of using ACV and all of that for your hair. It actually makes your hair look you know, good, and it makes your hair grow well. Yeah, so the other one I'll be talking about is about another DIY is using of oatmeal, air conditioner, brown sugar, and jojoba oil. So this is another thing you can also mix together to scrub your hair. And while you're scrubbing, you need to section your hair so that this scrub can go, you know, in between the hairs, and particularly to the scalp, because you are really focusing on the scalp. And then you can also use your massage brush, yeah, your scalp massage brush to scrub. Even while you've applied those mixture, then you can use your massage brush to scrub. That's what I did. Even while after I applied those, I used my hand to, you know, rub it all over my scalp, and then I went in with the massage brush. So another thing is, the other DIY is to use coffee powder, Himalayan sea salt, almond oil, and lemon juice. So this is another DIY you can do, yeah, depending on the available ingredients you have in your place, in your house, yeah, or with you. So this is just the DIY you can use. Of course, you can get scalp scrubs in the stores. Yeah, in the salon you can get those, but if you can get as soon as possible, and you maybe need to wash your hair, please try to do some of this DIY. I don't think there can be any allergy to it. Yeah, so I hope with this you'll be able to, you know, use your product effectively, and it's going to work effectively, trust me. Yeah, because I did it and it really worked for me. The dandruff and the flakiness on my scalp absolutely reduced. Like, it's reduced. I wouldn't say maybe 100%, but 80%. The flakiness and the dandruff on my hair actually reduced, and my scalp is very neat than using just shampoo and conditioner to just wash my hair. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if so, please don't forget to like and share and comment, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel, as I'll be dropping more videos. And maybe if you want me to drop any video or any topic about hair care, you can also drop that in the comment section, and I will do so. Yeah, thank you, stay tuned, and have a wonderful day. Bye.